Hi everyone, I am in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi, and I am with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you for joining me here today.
Sure.
And I feel like we're talking all things spring and fresh and new and all that stuff. So tell me what we're making today.
So we're making a springy lemony pea dip. So
Okay.
we have some green peas here on the stove. They're frozen, and we just steamed them for a couple of minutes in a tiny bit of water. We may have to actually add a little bit of water to this.
Okay.
And to these peas, we're just going to add a little bit of garlic. This is probably 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, depends on how much you like, right? Some lemon zest, so that's just the lemon part, the outside part of the lemon. So you
Okay.
don't want to get the white is the point. You don't want to get the really white pith because it
So you
can be
just
very
shaved
bitter.
it slightly. Okay.
Yep, and you can always use a peeler and peel off just the yellow part and chop it up finely with a knife,
Oh,
and then
okay.
add that. So if you don't have a microplane.
You don't have all the fancy tools. You can do it old school.
That's right. But I will say it's become a very basic tool
That
in
is
my
true.
kitchen, and they cost like $10, so there
So you
go.
could have it. It'd
Right.
be very reasonable.
So some flat leaf parsley. You could totally use curly parsley, of course. We have some green onions. You could use chives. A lot of people have chives right now since we are in spring. Nice little pinch of salt, some black pepper.
And clearly this is a healthier version. You think dip, typically you're thinking more heavier
Right.
type
No
items.
mayonnaise in this
Right,
dip.
exactly.
Right. All right, so the lid is just going to go right on,
Okay.
and we're going to give it some pulses. It might need a little bit of extra liquid,
Okay.
so we do want it to be nice and creamy. And so you might cook your peas just a little bit longer if you don't like the consistency of it, but I think it's really nice when it's bright green like that too.
So for this, it's not bad if you maybe overcooked them slightly.
Yeah, I mean, you don't want them to be that yucky baby food looking peas,
right,
but
that's never good.
no.
I know, you do see the very bright green, which is very enticing.
Okay, let's just take a gander here.
Okay.
Oh, it's looking very nice. And so, again, you could do it differently. If you want it to be a little bit creamier, you could cook them longer. You could have less water or less liquid in there.
Okay.
Just for our purposes, though. So we're just going to take a piece of bread,
All right.
and we're going to put a little bit.
So that's it. You've
Of this
made
bread,
it. It
yeah.
was one little
Yes,
mix
we
and
are
you're
finished. If you know how to work the food processor, it's a bonus.
good. Exactly. Which clearly I will have to learn.
So another thing that's good on here is just a little, if you like a little bit of chili flake, I mean
Okay.
just a little. And so
Just
you
for
could
some
do
color?
like a fried egg. Well, it's going to give it a little bit of heat, a little bit more
True.
flavor.
Okay.
So if you would like to try that, you can. A nice fried egg would be good on this. So this could be breakfast, this could be a snack, appetizers before dinner while everybody's starving and you're trying to get dinner on the table.
That was very good.
Lemony, bright.
Because you get the lemon in it, but yet you're eating peas. Which for a lot of people is great because they're not always getting the vegetables that they need to get, so you can eat it in a very fun way.
Right.
This is perfect. Thank you so much. If you guys want to learn more about this recipe, go ahead and head to our website at kjrh.com.